How to change chart background in ProRealTime. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, we are gonna learn how you can easily change the chart background in the ProRealTime mobile app. First of all, launch open the ProRealTime application on your smartphone and log in. Once logged in, from the home page, go ahead and tap on the chart tab at the bottom. From the chart page, select the instrument where you want to easily edit your chart. Once you're inside the chart page, tap the three dots at the top right corner and tap on Chart Settings. Under Chart Settings, tap on Chart Background. Now, go to the color option at the top and then choose the color palette from the menu, or you can also select a custom color by tapping the custom option and choosing a color option from the menu. After you do that, get back to the chart page and you will see the chart background color changed. And that's it. You've successfully changed your chart background in ProRealTime. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.